Make fresh, filtered coffee from the comfort and convenience of your own kitchen with this Smeg coffee machine. You'll be able to make rounds of coffee with ease thanks to the 10-cup capacity, letting you serve fresh, filtered coffee to more of your guests at once. You can even refill your cup if you fancy a top-up, as the carafe contents is able to stay warm for up to 40 minutes. Customise the coffee strength to your preference and make a light or strong cup with the aroma intensity function. Start off your mornings with fresh coffee by utilising the auto start function.